It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009, serving South Central Indiana. Today, let's talk about something that's causing big problems for homeowners and plumbers everywhere: flushable wipes. Spoiler alert, just because it says flushable on the label doesn't mean it's safe for your pipes. Manufacturers claim these wipes break down like toilet paper. But here's the truth: most flushable wipes don't disintegrate quickly enough. They might make it out of your toilet, but they can get stuck in your pipes, your home's sewer line, or even clog up the city's system. Unlike toilet paper, which breaks apart in seconds, wipes stay intact for a long time. That means they can combine with grease, hair, and other debris to form nasty blockages. At Riverway Plumbing, we see a lot of flushable wipe clogs, especially in Bloomington's older homes. Repairs can get expensive, and if you're on a septic system, it's even worse. Wipes can mess up your tank and lead to costly pumping, camera scopes, hydrant jetting, or repairs. So, what's the fix? Easy. Toss wipes in the trash, not the toilet. Even if the label says septic safe or biodegradable, don't risk it. Your pipes and your wallet will thank you. If you're dealing with slow drains or clogs, give us a call. We're here 24/7, and we'll get things flowing again. No judgment, just honest help. Give us a call at 812-327-8080 or visit us at riverwayplumbing.com.